filtering the purge back out, sucking it out of this container. Going back to the pump, taking it through the pump, back through the machine.
That's some serious solid, boy. It comes out this goat.
Yeah.
Is it really? I got to see that. Very little liquid now. This is
awesome. That's it, super concentrated.
See it coming through the hose. You got solids coming through. Watch.
When is it purged?
Just put. You can. I can do it by pulling the hose further back. Hold on. Somebody hold this one real quick. We'll pull this one back. Hold that one for a second. I'll just do this like this. Actually, you know what?
That's good. Oh my God.
Put it to the ground.
On the ground.
Let it go to the ground.
Got it?
Yeah, because now you're not going to have much sitting up over anymore. You're going to see it come out just solids.
That was just a high pressure one. That wasn't a real one.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Film that one, David.
Yeah, I got it.
Purge.
Oh, man, now we're talking.
Purge it a little bit faster if you can.
Oh, it does the purge.
Doggies.
Perfect. That's exactly how I want it, right there.
I mean, you might. That's beautiful.
No, let it purge a little longer. Give it maybe like.
Yeah, it's set to know what that limit is.
Now we know we're doing the right thing here. I'm not losing nothing this way.
This is I mean,
This is what I wanted you guys to. This is what we've been waiting for a long time.
How long?
This is how a centrifuge does.
2 years.
This is what a centrifuge puts out. Just this like this. This is what the centrifuge puts out.
I got it.
It's been 2 years, John.
Yeah, it's like Jamba juice, right?
Hey, there's your next customer. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
So I did a little bit longer purge on that one.
That's